Welcome back. We're live from Race Ace's Daredevil Arena.
Woo! Do I have a challenge for y'all? We'll be hitting this big air jump over 3 different obstacles. Starting with the Daredevil long jump. You'll need serious hang time to clear these crushed cars.
Looks safe enough. Let's race.
And now for our first matchup.
Demo Derby.
Dynamite.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
And we're off. Demo Derby stunts before the stunt and crashes out early. Dynamite clears the crush car long jump and spikes it home for the win.
Horns up.
Scorpedo. Shark Reek.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Yowzers, that's gotta sting! Shark Reek comes up short on the long jump and splashes out. Scorpedo barely clears the gap and rolls into the next round.
King of the sting.
Shaker.
Dairy Delivery.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Epic hang time! Wow! Boat Shaker takes flight and soars into the next round with a perfect stunt. Dairy Delivery misses the memo and crashes out of the tournament.
Thrash and smash!
5 Alarm!
Torque Terror. Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Sound the sirens! 5 Alarm launches into the next round after that epic jump. Torque Terror falls way short and makes a crushed car sandwich.
Coming in hot.
Meteoric! Invader!
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Whoa! Who won? Megarex takes it by a tail. Both trucks get massive air and clear the long jump stunt, but Megarex crosses the line first and scratches out the win.
Wreck and roll.
Race Ace! Radical Racer!
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Whoa! Look out! Race Ace stops to sign autographs before stomping home to win on 4 wheels. Radical Racer is sent back to the gutter.
Yeah! Challenge accepted!
All y'all!
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
That was wild! All y'all takes a lead through the air, but takes a hard bounce into the finish sign, which lets Tiger Shark tiptoe past him for the win.
Fear the frenzy!
Bigfoot.
Motosaurus!
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Doink! Bigfoot grabs huge air off the jump, but can't carry the distance and bricks it off the cliff. Motosaurus just needs to spike the landing to move on.
That was dynamite!
And we're on to round 2.
I'm spiking you out of here.
Not if my stinger gets you first.
Scorpedo! Rhinomite!
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Wowzers! Rhinomite veers off course coming off the jump and stampedes out of the arena. Where's he going? Scorpedo flies like a torpedo into the semifinals.
Sting it to win it.
Bone Shaker! 5 alarm!
I have a surprise! Are you ready?
Of course! I'm always prepared.
Kill the lights!
This is going to be great.
I love these new trucks! Let's glow!
This is lit!
Lights on! Very funny, monster trucks!
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
A moto finish! Let's see! 5 Alarm wins by a tire. Both trucks race a perfect stunt over the crushed cars, but 5 Alarm sticks out its ladder to advance.
I lit that jump up!
Yo, there's 150 crushed cars in that jump.
Meteorics can't count that high!
Race Ace! Mega Rex!
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Holy hang time! Race Ace sends it into orbit and sticks the landing with a flippy finish. Mega Rex also catches some wind but drifts right at the finish.
Challenge accepted.
By my calculations, I'm winning this. I think your math is wrong.
Motosaurus! Tiger Shark!
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Boom! Motosaurus stomps into the semifinals with an earth-shaking jump. And it appears Tiger Shark's calculations were way off.
That was dynamite.
What's next, Race Ace?
Let's go bigger. See if you'll jump over these stacked tires.
Sweet paint job, 5 Alarm. Does it make you go faster?
Haha, you'll have to find out.
5 Alarm! Scorpedo!
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Super stunting! 5 Alarm smashes through the tire stack like a hot knife through butter and rescues his trip to the finals. Scorpedo gets a cold stinger and bails out.
Glowing and hot.
I invented first place.
Let's get a fact check on that.
Race Ace! Motosaurus!
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Wowzers! Motosaurus makes a mess of the tire stack with an epic smash. And Race Ace grabs the biggest dare of the day to cruise on to the finals.
Challenge accepted.
Race Ace, what's up your sleeve for the championship?
I saved the most daring stunt for last. The Ring of Fire.
Someone call for help! This truck is burning up the competition, one Titan Cup at a time. Give it up for 5 Alarm! He's the ultimate daredevil who always goes big and never goes home. Make some noise for the hometown hero, Race Ace!
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Race Ace wins the Titan Cup. 5 Alarm gets massive hang time, but misses the finish. Race Ace launches at the perfect angle. It glides through the ring of fire and stops it home in front of his adoring fans.
Yes! Never a doubt.
You really crushed it out there today. How'd you do it?
Oh, it was easy. I've been practicing these stunts for weeks. I just had to execute the game plan.
Let's go. Well, that's all for today, race fans. Tune in next time to the Tournament of Titans.
Oh, no.
Welcome to the Monster Trucks Island Games, where the monster trucks and cars will smash, bash, and loop their way toward the Golden Titan Tire Trophy. Is this crowd ready? I can't hear you. Is this crowd ready? Alrighty, let's go! First, the barrel bash competition! Trucks must knock over as many barrels as possible before launching off the ramp and attempting to stick the landing. Whoever gets the loudest response from our audience wins! Introducing our first competitor. He's a Daredevil. He's a hot shot. They call him the Daredevil Hot Shot. Imagine that. Race Ace!
What?
Race!
Huh?
Ace!
There we go!
Race! Ace! Race! Ace!
3, 2, 1, go! Wow, what a maneuver! Race Ace bashed into those barrels, shot up the ramp, and landed wheels down. All right, everyone, what do we think of Race Ace's performance?
All right, fans, you know what to do! Give the air horn!
Up next, he might be the size of a car, but he's got the competitive spirit of a cargo train. It's Loco Motorin! Woo-wee! This car skids into the barrels and up the ramp. Check out those twists and turns. Let's hear it for Loco Motorin! Not too shabby. All right, allow me to introduce our final competitor this round. Everybody give a warm welcome to the rebellious bad boy, Bone Shaker.
Oh yeah! Thrash and smash, baby!
Wowza! Bone Shaker bashed those barrels so far that we can't even find them anymore. What do we think of Bone Shaker's intimidating run? Looks like Race Ace is our winner.
Race! Ace! Race! Ace!
Up next, Target Smash. Trucks must hit the target with power. Whichever truck hits the target with enough style and force to win over our audience wins the round. The loudest cheer wins. Up first, she's a little reckless. She's a whole lot of unpredictable. It's Demo Derby. Wait, where'd she go?
Hey, over here!
Oh, you scared me.
Mom, look! It's me! Hi!
Will you just get out there and compete already? You ready, Demo Derby? Oh! Demo Derby hits a bullseye on the target and sends that bell flying. Let's hear it for Demo Derby!
Oh,
Way to go, Demo! Up next, not 3, not 4, you guessed it, it's 5 Alarm!
Somebody better crank the AC, cause 5 Alarm is coming in hot.
Oh, with authority! 5 Alarm with the flaming hot skills! The crowd is loving it!
Somebody find a hose, cause I'm on fire, baby.
Normally I'd say stop, drop, and roll, but this next competitor's got me saying stop, duck and roll.
Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack.
Oh, did you see that? No bullseye for duck and roll, but that car is a quack to match the monster trucks. Way to go, Quacker.
Quack, 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 quack.
It sounds like 5 Alarm had the loudest cheers, so the winner of Target Smash is 5 Alarm! All right, everyone, are you ready for our third and final round? Loop race. Trucks must head through the loop with style and speed. Make it past the volcano top and shoot through the tunnel. The loudest cheer gets the win. What's that? Do you hear that rumble? Huh? Oh well, here we go. Our first competitor is Diora 3. Oh, it couldn't complete the loop and lands inside the volcano. Up next, Cosmic Coupe. Wow, another victim in the volcano. That volcano looks like it might be getting full. It's eating up car after car. Let's see if any monster trucks can race through this rumbling volcano. Up next, Race Ace.
Cue the air horn!
What's this? Looks like Race Aces fans' air horns caused a volcanic eruption and a massive T-Rex attack! Ah!
Chomp, chomp, chomp.
What's that thing? Double the dinos! Double the trouble!
Oh!
Oh no, I'm getting eaten. Yuck. Did he just poop me out? Huh?
Oh, no, dinosaur, no.
I guess what goes in must come out.
I need a car wash.
That volcanic eruption has turned this island into chaos. Looks like a fire is broken loose near the arena. Well, that'll heat things up.
I literally have a fire to put out.
Here comes 5 Alarm to put out the fire on Volcano Island. That makes sense. She did it! 5 Alarm breaks through. My hero.
Bye-bye, fire!
A giant octopus? Seriously? Where'd that come from? Tiger Shark to the rescue!
You're mine, Octopus! This island is for cars and monster trucks only!
Tiger Shark is taking on the octopus fin to Tentacle! Octopus down. I repeat, octopus down. Tiger Shark defeats the 8-tentacled creature and proves he's king of the sea again. Woo! I don't know if I can take any more surprises. What's this? Now a saber tooth on Volcano Island? You gotta be kidding me. Mega Rex is answering the call. This should be feisty. And there it is. Mega Rex takes down the Sabertooth. These monster trucks are on a roll.
Chomp.
Uh-oh, somebody's angry. Only the T-Rex remains. What now? Would you look at that? All the cars and monster trucks are teaming up against this big T-Rex skeleton. Can they save us once and for all?
I live for going first!
Oh, so close!
Chomp, chomp, chomp.
Can Mega Rex defeat its dino brethren? Now that's worth a replay! Megarex launches with no fear and overpowers the T-Rex to take it down and restore Volcano Island. Megarex saved us all from the T-Rex, so he wins the Golden Tire Trophy! Well-deserved, Megarex. Stay tuned for more smashing and utter madness next time at the Monster Trucks Island Games.
Welcome back. We're live at Volcano Valley for a steamy tournament of Titans.
She could erupt any second. Stay back and stay alert.
I don't want to become a fossil.
Lava balls incoming!
And now for our first matchup. Demo Derby Radical Racer.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
A red-hot start. Demo Derby gets huge hang time over the volcano and kicks it through the finish line. Radical Racer falls down the lava flow, but sticks the landing.
Drive it like you stole it.
Five alarm. Torque Terror.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Close one. Five Alarm and Torque Terror leave the ramp at the same time, but Torque Terror comes up short on the landing and lets Five Alarm flip ahead to the next round.
Coming in hot.
Motosaurus.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Bone Shaker moves on. Both trucks leave the big air at the same time, but Bone Shaker gets the good bounce forward, and Motosaurus slams into the lava rocks.
Thrash and smash!
Rhinomite. Loco Punk.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Choo-choo! One ticket for the express train to Hot Magma Station. Rhinomite dunks Loco Punk into the volcano. It sticks his horn into the finish line.
Horns up.
Megarex! Pure muscle.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Now that's a photo finish! Let's see. And Megarex takes it by a tooth. Both trucks get major hang time over the volcano and make a sprint to the finish, but Megarex barely takes it away.
Red and roar!
Racing! Roger Dodger.
Go big, go Hot
Ouch! Roger Dodger dances too close to the flames and takes a dip into the lava, which leaves Race Ace plenty of room to showboat to the finish like the Daredevil he is.
Challenge accepted.
Scorpedo!
Go big, go Hot
Oh no! Tiger Shark mistimes his jump and ends up chomping lava. So unlike him, Scorpedo puts his pinchers in the ground and stings away to the next round.
King the Sting.
Snake bite.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
This rivalry is heating up. Snakebite takes a hard turn left down onto Volcano Valley. And Bigfoot trips on those big tires and rolls all the way down to the finish.
Can't stop the stomp.
And we're on to round 2. Oh no! The volcano is erupting! Watch out for the flying lava balls! Ah!
I'm going for a backflip 540 over the volcano.
Well, I'm going for the finish line. Don't call for help.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Look out! Demo Derby whiffs on his big air and dunks into the volcano. And 5 Alarm gets a boost forward from the lava bombs to save his trip to the semis.
You can't handle this heat. Quite the weather we're having, eh, mate?
Oh yeah! Feel the burn!
Rhino Mine. Bone Shaker.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Take him down. Rhino Mike makes a hard left back to the pasture. And Bone Shaker avoids the lava bombs and tumbles through to the semifinals.
Thrashed them and smashed them!
I want Titan Cup. This race mine.
This jump is a Daredevil's dream. I'm not losing.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
What a jump! Race Ace gets huge air over the volcano and nails the landing for a perfect 4-wheel finish. Mega Rex gets cold teeth and bails out down the lava flow.
Challenge accepted. You may be the living legend, but I have the stinger to be the winner.
I stomp bugs like you for breakfast. Let's go!
Bigfoot. Scorpedo.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Whoa, sizzling. Scorpedo dips its stinger in the volcano for an extra crispy fill. And Bigfoot crushes the big air jump and stomps through the finish on 4 wheels.
Can't stop the stomp.
It's time for the semifinals. Oh no, a steam vent has appeared. That looks hot.
Haha, you'll feel right at home inside that volcano.
You may be the bravest, but I am the greatest!
Bone Shaker. 5 Alarm.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Oh, steamy. 5 Alarm kicks Bone Shaker into the volcanic steam bath and then sounds the siren down the volcano and into the finals.
Coming in hot.
Yes, just the legend I wanted to take down.
Listen, young man, you have to beat a legend to become a legend.
Bigfoot, Race Ace.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Another hot one. Bigfoot meets the same fate as Bone Shaker and dives into the steamy abyss. Race Ace stunts his way down the volcano and erupts into the finals.
Who's the legend now?
We're on to the championship. Our trucks have launched over the volcanic steam and dodged lava bombs. But it all comes down to this. Who will erupt into the Titan Cup? Someone call for help! This truck is burning up the competition, one Titan Cup at a time. Give it up for 5 Alarm! He's the ultimate daredevil who always goes big and never goes home. This champ invented first place. It's Race Ace!
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Whoop, whoop! 5 Alarm wins! Let's check it out. Five Alarm and Race Ace launch through the toxic gas. But 5 Alarm puts the ladder down and rolls into the Titan Cup. Race Ace stumbles on the landing, but gets back up to finish the race.
Oh yeah, I win!
Great race, 5 Alarm. Woo-hoo-hoo!
Hey, 5 Alarm, you really crushed it out there today. How'd you do it?
You could say I burned up the competition today. I know how to handle the heat under pressure, and I got the job done.
It's an eruption of monster trucks! Don't touch the lava! Oh dear, this isn't going to end well. Great balls of fire! Well, that's all for today, truck fans. Catch us next time on the Tournament of Titans.
Hello, and welcome back to the Tournament of Titans. We're live at Race Ace's Big Air Jump, where the sky's the limit. Let's see what our monster trucks face today. First, they race over rolling hills to the steepest drop we've ever seen. Look at that! Then they'll get serious air off the big air jump and soar through the swinging fire loop. Our trucks better keep their cool. The Titan Cup is at stake.
Challenge accepted!
Oh, I love a good challenge. Here we go! First up, Roger Dodger versus Race Ace. Rev those engines! Wowzers! What a start to this downhill competition! Let's see it again!
Woo! Yeah!
Both trucks got off to a quick start down the rolling hills! Race Ace stumbles into the lead ahead of Roger Dodger. The jump looks clean for both trucks. Oh, Roger Dodger veers left to avoid the swinging fire loop. Race Ace faces the heat and nosedives through the loop and across the finish line. What a finish!
Yeah! I'll take on any challenge!
Five Alarm versus Tiger Shark. The fire loop waits for its next victim. Let's play that back. It's a rocky start for Tiger Shark as 5 Alarm pulls way ahead. Five Alarm speeds down the hill. It looks like 5 Alarm's got this one. Oh no! What a burn! 5 Alarm hits the fire loop and crashes right before the finish line. The path is cleared, and Tiger Shark front flips to victory. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Tiger Shark wins!
Fear the frenzy!
Warming up for the next race is Meteoric, whose teeth are sharper. Yours, a radical racer. Those sound pretty sharp to me. Meteoric versus Radical Racer. Now, these trucks are icy. It's getting hot in here. Roll that replay. Go, go, go! That was huge! Strong start for both trucks as they fly down the rolling hills. Radical Racer pulls ahead down the steep drop. Both trucks neck and neck into the jump and through the flaming loop. Oh! It looks like Meteoric gets hungry midair and takes a chop out of the swinging fire loop. Radical Racer squeaks by with a win. Radical Racer moves on.
Kaboom!
Pure Muscle versus Bone Shaker. Here we go! Bad. And by bad, I mean amazing! Let's see that again. Bone Shaker grabs an early lead by keeping its skull on the tracks. Pure Muscle forgets to stretch to the top and pulls up short, going into the big air jump. Bone Shaker catches major air and perfectly flies through the fire loop, proving he's the real muscle around here. Bone Shaker wins.
Thrash and smash!
On to the semifinals. Warming up for the next race and getting the crowd pumped is Race Ace!
Race Ace! Race Ace!
There's nothing like a loud and rowdy crowd to get your adrenaline pumping! Woohoo!
Let's see if Race Ace can take that energy into the next one. Race Ace versus Tiger Shark. Winner moves on to the championship. What a race! These trucks are wheel to wheel out of the starting gate. Tiger Shark tire taps Race Ace at the top of the hill. It's a straight sprint into the big air jump. Race Ace does what he does best and hits the jump hard. He flies past the swinging fire loop and across the finish line. So smooth, so amazing. Tiger Shark bails at the jump and topples into the mountains. Bye-bye, Sharko. Race Ace moves on to the championship.
That's why they call me Hot Shot!
We're here with Bone Shaker, the rebellious bad boy, preparing for the next semifinal race.
This course is hot, but I'm about to turn up the heat! Rock on!
Radical Racer versus Bone Shaker. Hold on to your tires. This is one rockin' matchup. Did you see that? It's a bumpy ride as these trucks bounce over the hills. Bone Shaker shimmies his way to the lead, heading into the drop. And Bone Shaker hits the big air jump first. He pumps through the fire loop. Oh no! Radical Racer rips into the flames and topples over. Boneshaker crosses the finish line first and thrashes his way into the championship.
These skulls and flames are the name of the game!
Live from the Volcano Arena, our finalists are warming up for the championship. Your favorite Daredevil faces off against your favorite bad boy. Who can handle the heat?
I'm one hot shot that's too hot to handle.
I'm ready for a flaming good time!
This is it. Race Ace and Boneshaker facing off for their shot at the Titan Cup. Come on, trucks, let's catch some air. Boneshaker snaps and cracks into an early lead. Race Ace tries to recover but loses its steering before the big air jump. Boneshaker powers through the jump, launches sideways through the swinging fire loop, and lives towards the championship with a four-wheel finish. This boneyard is rocking.
This skull face is on fire!
There you have it, folks. Boneshaker muscles his way to victory and takes home the coveted Titan Cup. Tune in next time to the Tournament of Titans. We're back at the Tournament of Titans, reporting live from Mega Rex's Meteoric crater, where the track is hot, hot, hot. Thanks for welcoming us, Mega Rex. You have a lovely home. Let's see what these monster trucks will face today. The trucks will start racing over volcanic rock. Then, raining asteroids flying everywhere. If they make it past that, the trucks will burst through massive, smoking hot crater and jump towards the finish line. Wow! Mega Rex didn't mention this. Looks like there's a big, hungry, chomping Mega Rex here to devour some trucks. Who will rise to the top and take home the Titan Cup? Let's go! First up, Motosaurus versus Mega Rex. Woohoo! What an opening race! Let's see that again. Smoking hot start for both monster trucks as they barely avoid the raining asteroids. Yowza! They dip into the meteoric crater. Ouch! Motosaurus spikes too soon and gets stuck in the crater. Mega Rex cruises through the crater like a champ and front flips across the finish line. What a showing by our dino host. Checking in with the unpredictable Demo Derby. Demo Derby, tell us, how are you going to beat the living legend Bigfoot in your next race?
I'm a wild card. Bigfoot will have no clue what's coming.
What a legendary matchup! Demo Derby versus Bigfoot. What a race! Both trucks hit the gas and neither of them are fazed by the raining asteroids. It's Bigfoot who loses his footing in the crater and flips out. Demo Derby catches a second wind and topples through the finish line. Demo Derby wins!
Now that was wild!
Here's the big hungry dino. Chompin' Mega Rex is coming for Bigfoot. Ooh, talk about putting your foot in your mouth.
Can't stop the storm.
Up next, Invader versus Race Ace. Photo finish. What a race! Too close to call. Let's play that back. Both trucks are burning magma down the straightaway. Tires are touching as both trucks dip into the crater at the same time. Oh, did you see that? Who crossed the line first? Looks like it's Invader. Invader moves on to the semifinals.
Out of this world.
Rhinomite versus 5 Alarm. The winner moves on to the semifinals. Incredible! To the replay. Strong start for both trucks as they speed down the mountain and through the flying rubble. 5 Alarm had the lead, but she takes a wrong turn out of the crater. Rhinomite takes advantage and jumps horn first to the victory! Rhinomite wins!
Rhino roar!
That chumpin' Meteoric is eating everyone.
Megarex, you have quite the choppers. You must go through a ton of toothpaste. On to the semifinals. Megarex versus Demo Derby. One truck wins, the other gets chopped. That was wild! Let's roll the replay! These trucks barely avoid the flying asteroids and speed into the massive crater. Megarex takes a slight lead into the final jump. Oh, but it's Demo Derby who gives the clutch rev to speed over the finish line first, stealing the win! Demo Derby moves on to the championship.
I had to go all out for that one.
What's happening? It seems like Choppin' Megarex is full, for now. Warming up for the next semifinal race, it's Rhinomite. Tell us, what's your strategy to get through this course?
Be explosive! I'm ready to blast through anything that comes my way. Yeah!
Oh, okay. Invader versus Rhinomite. Wowee! Too close to goal. We have to see that again. Nice start for both trucks. Invader picks up speed on the straight.
Demo Derby takes a big lead over.
It's moving so fast I can barely keep